Once upon a time, a long time ago, there was an old tale that told of the power and magic of the wind. This tale narrates the story of a child who lived in an ancient town and set out to discover the adventures of the wind. The town was surrounded by vast fields, and in the middle of these fields, on a large meadow next to a small cottage, lived a child named Ali. Ali was curious about how the wind was created and why it blew. He spent his days wandering in the fields, listening to the melodies of the wind. One morning, Ali decided to learn how the wind was formed. He embarked on a journey to follow the wind, and his adventure began. The wind took Ali to the tops of high mountains, across wide valleys, and to the depths of the vast oceans. Ali realized that the wind was everywhere and was a force that shaped the world. One day, the wind led him to a magical forest. In this forest, trees danced, leaves sang, and colorful birds glided through the air. In this forest, Ali discovered the true power of the wind. The wind breathed life into the trees by swaying their branches and making the leaves dance. Ali understood how important the wind was. It carried seeds, moved clouds, and maintained the balance of nature. Every gust of wind carried a story to a different part of the world. Ali wanted to explore the power of the wind even further and continue his journey with it. The wind made a suggestion. Ali, travel the world and tell everyone about the melodies, stories, and beauties of the wind. Remind them of the power of nature and the magic of the wind. Ali accepted the wind's suggestion and returned to his town. Now, he shared the adventures of the wind, the things he had seen, and the lessons he had learned with other children and the townsfolk. People began to appreciate the power of nature more and started taking better care of their environment, and so, Ali's adventure with the wind became a turning point in the lives of the town and its people. The power of the wind and the magic of nature became more meaningful to everyone.